So hello guys, my name is Veer and I study in class 9 and today I am making this video for some long vlogs. So if first like and subscribe this video before I start. No, firstly I like and subscribe. We're done? Okay, now I'll just introduce about my mother.
Hello, how are you all? I am Chanda. His
And my
mom,
brother.
His mom, and also his mom. And I upload library science related video and also English related videos, blogs, and lots of things I do. Whenever I get the time, I just do. I just love doing it. So my intention was I wanted to speak my son in English. That's why I started doing like that. If you want to do like that, just start doing like that. What I'm doing. I think this could be the good way to teach your son, isn't it, Veer?
Yes, this is very right. I know that.
So you wanna say something like it's Sunday today? Did you study?
Yes, today I study math.
Oh my God. Okay. I think I thought like you didn't study today, but you have studied. It's a good thing. It's a good, but generally children like these summers they don't want to study. They want to play, only play. So you study. You study. It's a good thing.
Yes, you said right.
So what's your favorite subject, Veer?
My favorite subject will be probably like history, I think.
You like history?
Yes.
I thought you like maths.
No, I also like maths. I like maths like 60%. I like math, but my most is history. 98% I like history.
98%. Oh
Yes.
my God.
And 2% I like maths and 0.1 all subject.
2% maths
Yes.
and 98% history. Wow,
Yes.
great. But when I was studying, when I was at your age, I didn't like that subject. Actually, I was not able to memorize those things, those years. Like in history, we have to learn lots of dates. Like this date, this incident happened, and something like that. But I'm just telling the truth. Like I always forgot the things. Like this incident on which year this incident happened, particular incident happened. So how do you remember those kind of things?
If I am not wrong, so mostly I get the most history from the YouTube
Okay.
and also from the school. But I got from the YouTube like 70% I got history from the YouTube and 30% I got history from the school.
So it's a good way. Like you are using YouTube for learning purpose. But generally, children they want to watch only funny video, and they spend lots of time doing this kind of things. But you are doing this kind of things, learning lots of things through YouTube. It's a good thing. It's a good way. So yeah, very good method.
Yes, and if you like only 1% like this video, so please subscribe.
Okay, we will talk another topic. Like okay, tell me one thing. You like summers or not? You like summer?
I like a little bit summer, but when the summer came, we all know that what happened. Every Indians can relate this. Any Indians. Only Indians can relate about the summer, not the another world.
Why?
Because only Indians know what happened to the summer. What the sun burned us in the India.
Yes, it's true. Like it would be scorching day for us.
Yes.
It's April month is going on these days, so we can imagine temperature was today is like 40 degree around.
Yes, in April it's a 40 degree. And what will happen to the June? Will be it 50 degree?
No, not like that. 50 degrees it would be in UAE, I guess.
No, not a UA. Like I must be like some desert, like Sahara desert will be 60 or 50 like that.
So yeah, and we will face like 40 to 42% because because we live in hilly area, mountain area. So here temperature will not increase so much. I think so.
No, it's increased. Like in the last year we got 48 degree.
Okay. 48 degrees.
Yes, in 2024.
2000, oh, you are talking about 2000. Yeah, it was drastic moment for everyone. Like.
But last year it was not summer. It was only raining. And you also saw my like earlier video. You must be saw that there is raining. I am playing with the raining. So that's the month of the July, August. So that's why in last year there was only summer hot. Like before last year, like in 2024, there was only rain and it was like 48 degree, very very hot.
I think you are right. So temperature like increasing day by day. It's only April month. We are facing lots of situations like I think children, they are going to school. They would be feeling uncomfortable these days. That's why I don't want them to go to school these days. So whenever he says like I'm not feeling well today, so I say like okay.
No. Please tell the right way. I am not agree with you.
Yeah. You didn't go. You didn't go on Saturday.
No.
You didn't go on Saturday. It was scorching hot on Saturday. That's why you didn't go. Was it right? That whatever the weather we get, we should. We should do this kind of things like we should go outside. We should get some fresh air. We should prefer to drink like we are living in village in hilly area. So
My brother.
when he comes, we feel like oh Ujjwal comes. Ujjwal came, and we feel like yeah. Ujjwal is our teddy bear.
Yes.
we love a lot. We love a lot.
And most like important topic that if this video got 1k views, and then I will upload daily videos. If the video let come 1k views.
Okay, let's see what's happened. But
Yes.
today I want to discuss another topic like why do children always scare going to school? What was the reason behind it? What would be the reason?
Only children can feel. Only.
Okay, what was the reason? What could be the reason behind it?
You were child, you will notice.
I know that. Why you always says like रात होने वाला है? Why? Why you always says like रात होने वाला है? It's evening, beta.
No, it's the evening. शाम हो रहा है.
Sam or yeah, it's evening time. So yeah, why do you always say like रात होने वाला है? Okay.
Yes, yes. Not silly.
Okay. So yeah, he always does what he wants to do. He always does like that, and I let them do the things what he wants to
See
do.
what he is doing. He
What he
don't
wants
let me
to do.
make the videos. See.
Yes. And okay, I think we should stop this video here.
Yes,
We shouldn't stretch our video so long. It would be boring.
Yes. If this video got 1k views, so I will make a lot of videos with my mom. And daily.
Okay, so we have to say bye for now.
And I also took a very, very heart emoji in the comment.
Okay, so let's see. Okay, bye to all of you.
Bye.
Bye.